Okay, today is 31 May, was it 10:55 in the morning. Here's a recognizable box sent to me that I already sent to him, and he sent it back to me with another radio inside. So I'm going to open it, and it's yep, there it is. Okay. Alright, so now he's pulled it up on the screen there that he contacted me a while back and shipped this to me a while back, and I don't know what's in here. I know I have a vague idea of what's in here. Some kind of Sanyo 6-speaker model, and that's all I know. And so I'm just going to open it and play it, and then repair it and ship it back to him. Of course, you know, for money, and preserve the box. So here's the box opened. Okay, so that. Don't know what's in here. But, okay, so. Alright, so there it is. Okay, there's a radio. Okay. Since it's nicely packed, we'll just keep all that. What have we got here? We have a Sanyo MR-FF2, which means this is a Japanese domestic model. Okay, and it, wow, 5-band equalizer, metal tape capability, AM and FM, and it takes a, okay, 9-volt, okay, so it's, alright, here, let me zoom in so you can see this, alright, well, maybe not, let's see how close we can get. Alright, so now, yeah, that's pretty close. Where's the, okay, I want the, yeah, so this is a 9-volt center pin, okay, and I've already got a power supply. Alright, so there's that. It looks like that on top. Wait, well, I'll do this anyway. So there it is. It's not, I'll show pictures of it later, but I just want to get it, plug it in, see what's wrong with it. Okay, so here's a multi-pin thing. That should work. It powered it up. Alright, so we've got, let's see here, band, stereo, mono, put it on line in, tape, radio, some volume. So the radio works, equalizers work. Alright. Got serial lights. Okay.
Show up same day.
So let's flip it over the tape. Hit the eject button. Uh-oh, doesn't open. Alright, so alright, well. Doesn't open. Uh-oh. Well, this might be one of these deals where you have to take it apart to get the, okay. Well, okay, since it's a Sanyo, it probably needs a belt replaced because it stopped in the middle of the tape play, and because it's a semi-automatic push button deal. So can you even see that? Not really. Okay, well. Oh, golly. Alright. Don't know. We're going to try and fix this. Just want to show it to you before I tear into it. Okay, so that's all I know. The radio works. We didn't check the line in. We're not going to do that. Okay, so let's see. So there's a Well, it does have a balance. Let's try to go back to the radio and get a balance going. So, here's the radio. Radio.
Fleece shorts. Run. Don't walk to Old Navy. Find
Balance
amazing
works.
looks for everyone up to 50%
Okay,
off. With styles starting at just $5. Can't wait.
Radio.
Order at OldNavy.com now.
There's... Yeah, alright. Well, that works too. So. Okay, so... This tape deck doesn't work and the tape deck door doesn't open. Okay, so tape deck does not open. Let's see here. Yeah. Okay, so the tape deck doesn't open. Don't want to pry it. And I can't hear the motor running at all, so got to get the door open first. And so on and so forth. So good day, bye-bye, hope you enjoyed. That's my mini review of this model, okay? Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed, bye-bye.